right, here it is, part of the Royal Suite class. This is a Sky Suite, Grand Suite 6254, Symphony of the Seas. And as you notice, you walk in, you have the tile entry, you have a wet bar, well, it's kind of a bar, like an island, and closets over here on the right. And as you walk in, lots of shelves and drawers, closet spaces. And you notice the room is the compartmentalized, so you have like a living room and a bedroom. We'll get to that. But here you get your amenities. You have some shelves there, but a beautiful, comfy looking living room area with the TV. Let's check out the bathroom over here on the right. Wow, this is a grand suite. And this is what you get. You get the upgraded bathroom amenities, which I don't see them here yet, but they will be here. Usually they put them in here, but it's granite. And this has got the half glass and double sinks, beautiful granite, lots of space in here, shelves. Let's go back over here, more shelves down here. And here's your couches. There's more drawers over there. So as opposed to some of the ships that have one big room, this is a compartment. So here is the bedroom. You have your bureau over here and your bed. And look, you have a TV here. So you can watch TV in bed. And you have two windows to the balcony. And this is just a window, but here we are in Miami. It's a big balcony. And this is your living room, and of course your TV. It can be angled out. And let's check out the balcony. Perfect for sitting here and dining on your balcony, or lounging in these loungers. And the glass that sees through is so beautiful. If you have guests in adjacent cabins that you're friends or family with, you can open up the dividers if you want, but this is the Grand Suite 6254, Symphony of the Seas. Drawers there, shelves. Wow. Beautiful. All right, it is a beautiful room. Thanks for watching. Peace out.